Hi, welcome to Arafat English Journey channel, and today is my day 8, and today I want to talk about my English routine, right? First time, I say, if you have not much dedication, determination, it's not possible to maintain routine, right? And I know most of the people, when they started to learn English, they just founding how I learn, how I can do this in 30 days, in 90 days, and what's routine I follow. Actually, it's not work. You should try one routine. First time you saw lots of video how to practice every day, then you choose one. I face it, that's why I say, right? You choose one, then you use it, right? Every day one thing you choose. Multiple practicing method don't use. It's not work. I know I wasted my 2 months that type of way, right? And now I'm preparing a routine like every day 1 hour or 15 minutes like that, and sometimes 1 hour 30 minutes, doesn't matter how many time you. That's a different people mindset, how they practice. That's their own way, right? So my practice related topic is like I choose one topic. Like today, actually first time I write 10 topics upcoming my 10 days. Then I choose one topic. Like first of all, I already create a video. How is important play for children, right? So that's that type of, it's a keyword, right? It's a keyword, and I found some articles like British Council or different articles, and choose one articles, and this article I copy and then paste my Google Docs. Then I first time I choose five. I first time I read, then that way I choose 5 word, and then I choose five phrase or collocation. That's the same time I chose, right? And only five, but word, you must be choose word this topic related, right? Don't choose randomly, just topic related. Okay, then you listen 2 times and repeat 1 time, right? Repeat clearly. I use some websites and also a dictionary. Know the answer. You don't search Bangla meaning, just searching English meaning, different English meaning, word related. And first time, that's just founding word, read, and phrase, and just write it, right? Second, listening, and third is repeat. That's the main point. You must be repeat, not practice. It's a maybe it's a yeah, it's a practice. It's a practice, just a practice whole word, and whole thing you just practice, and in the night time you repeat it. Just repeat it and founding some important topics every day and practice, right? So this is my routine. So you should do this and listening more and more. That's my opinion, and I am trying. I know I am also now a beginner, and I am just sharing my thoughts. That's why this is my thoughts. So bye bye, goodbye.